Seniors, your muscles are silently disappearing every night when you go to bed without eating the proper foods. Not a bit, but enough to alter your way of standing, walking, and living. According to studies, people over 60 lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every 10 years, and the majority of that loss occurs outside of the day. It takes place while you're asleep. Your muscles don't simply age after the age of 60, they really vanish, according to a peer-reviewed study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, particularly when fasting for extended periods of time, such as nighttime rest. Here's the horrifying reality. If you don't take action right away, your muscles will have decreased by 0.2% by the time you finish watching this video. But pills, powders, or overnight miracles aren't the answer. It's food. You can halt age-related muscle loss in its tracks and promote muscle restoration by eating real food before bed. We're also presenting the top 8 foods today, in order of least to most potent. The food at the top of our list? Even in the absence of activity, it enhanced nightly muscle protein synthesis by 22%, according to a startling 2024 study. However, 99% of seniors are unaware of its existence. Where are you watching from? What is your age, and how has your health been lately? Tell us in the comments section below. Additionally, food number 1 might be the most underappreciated tool for preventing age-related muscle loss, so be sure to watch through to the finish, and it could change your strength in a week if you're over 60. Number 8. Turmeric warmed milk. It's not just a soothing custom to drink warm milk before bed. When made properly, this drink can save your muscles. Tryptophan, calcium, and casein protein, all found in milk, support deeper sleep and nighttime muscle regeneration. However, the advantages increase when turmeric is included. Curcumin, a substance found in turmeric, significantly lowers inflammation and muscle breakdown. Seniors who consumed a modest protein-rich beverage before bed experienced a 32% increase in nighttime muscle protein synthesis, according to a 2022 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience. They also reported less morning joint discomfort and stiffness after adding curcumin. To make it, heat up a cup of milk, ideally organic or two-way, and add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, sprinkling in a bit of black pepper to aid with absorption. To prevent sugar surges, you can add a small amount of honey to sweeten. About half an hour before going to bed, slowly drink it. Select an oat or almond milk that has been supplemented with calcium and protein if you are lactose intolerant. However, it has been demonstrated that actual dairy has the greatest impact on muscle preservation overnight. Not only does this golden beverage nourish your body, it provides the building blocks your muscles require to heal, balances your hormones, and soothes your nervous system. Seniors who are experiencing joint pain, soreness, or trouble sleeping may find that this process quietly becomes their new bedtime healing routine. Almond butter comes in at number 7. Despite its snack-like appearance, almond butter is actually a muscle-saving blend of protein, magnesium, and healthy fats that will help you sleep better and recover more quickly. Almond butter is special because it releases energy gradually. Almond butter provides your body with sustained energy throughout the night, in contrast to sugary treats that cause blood sugar levels to rise. An important indicator of muscle preservation, nightly nitrogen retention, improved by 17% in older people who ate almond-based lipids before bed, according to a 2020 study published in Nutrients. Additionally, their levels of cortisol, the stress hormone that causes muscle breakdown as you sleep, were lower. To reap the benefits, put 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter on a slice of whole grain toast, eat it plain, or consume it around half an hour before bed. Steer clear of processed varieties that have oils or sugar added. Choose only those that naturally separate in the container. Almond butter is an excellent option for seniors who have restless legs or irregular sleep patterns because of its magnesium content, which also helps to relax twitching muscles and calm nerves. Additionally, because it is filling, it keeps you from being hungry at night, which might wake you up and interfere with your recuperation cycles. This 1 spoon before bed may seem simple, but it could have a significant impact on your strength the following day. 6. Cottage cheese. Although cottage cheese may seem archaic, it's a silent powerhouse for elders looking to preserve muscle overnight. Casein, a protein that digests slowly and releases amino acids gradually over a period of 6 to 8 hours, is what makes it unique. That's important because your body goes into a catabolic condition when you sleep, which speeds up the breakdown of muscles. In essence, cottage cheese is a leaky patch that provides a constant flow of recuperation nourishment while you sleep. In comparison to those who ate nothing, seniors who took 30 grams of casein protein before bed experienced a 31% boost in overnight muscle protein synthesis, according to a research published in the British Journal of Nutrition. That goes beyond just defense. Progress is being made. Half a cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese should be had 30 to 60 minutes prior to bedtime for optimal benefits. If you need taste, add some cinnamon or banana slices. The potassium aids with muscular relaxation, and the natural carbohydrates won't cause a blood sugar surge. Tryptophan, a naturally occurring amino acid that soothes the brain, has even been linked by some seniors to improved sleep quality. This neglected food could be your first step back to strength if you've been waking up more slowly, stiffly, or sore than normal. 5. Eggs hard-boiled. Particularly before bed, hard-boiled eggs are small, hygienic, and packed with all the nutrients your aging muscles require. About 6 grams of complete protein and leucine, a crucial amino acid that activates muscle growth, are found in each egg. This food's bioavailability is what makes it so effective at night. Even if your digestion has slowed down with age, your body still absorbs it effectively. Seniors who ate whole eggs before bed really maintained 19% greater muscle mass over a 12-week period than those who did not, according to a 2021 study published in Nutrients. IGF-1, a hormone necessary for muscle regeneration and tissue repair, was shown to be elevated in the same study. Over time, this results in increased strength, less morning soreness, and a discernible change in how you feel when getting out of bed. The sweet spot? About half an hour before going to bed, 1 or 2 eggs. Add some black pepper and turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, a slice of avocado can supply healthy fats without interfering with your sleep if you need a little extra energy. Just as important as what you eat is when you consume it, and hard-boiled eggs provide your body with the potent, clean nutrition it needs at the right time. 4. Tuna with olive oil. Although tuna may seem like a lunch item, when combined with olive oil, it becomes a weapon for protecting muscles at night. This combination provides omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein, which are both necessary for inflammation reduction and muscle growth. According to a 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older persons who ate a meal high in protein and omega-3 before bed, such as tuna and olive oil, experienced a 34% higher nocturnal rise in muscle protein synthesis. Olive oil is unique because it slightly slows down digestion, allowing amino acids to be released gradually. Additionally, it facilitates the body's absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin D, which is important for bone health, muscular recuperation, and strength. Either eat half a can of tuna straight or with whole grain crackers after scooping it in olive oil before bed. You can enhance taste without feeling uncomfortable by adding a little lemon or sea salt. Don't use heavy sauces or mayo. They inadvertently slow down digestion. One of the best sources of leucine, which is more and more important as you age, is tuna. Your muscles just don't receive the signal to expand if you don't have enough of it. However, tuna provides them with that signal and maintains it for hours. 3rd place, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt may sound simple, but it's a sleep recovery aid supported by science. Thick and high in casein protein, it delivers a consistent flow of amino acids for as long as 7 hours after consumption. Due to superior mitochondrial function in their muscle tissue, older persons who had high-protein Greek yogurt before bedtime, in a clinical trial that was published in Frontiers in Nutrition, demonstrated a 26% increase in muscle protein synthesis and even better energy production the following day. Eat half a cup of plain Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed to reap the benefits. Steer clear of sweetened variants. Recovery may be hampered by the sugar, Add some berries or cinnamon if you need some taste. For additional fiber and omega-3s, add a teaspoon of chia seeds. Calcium, an essential mineral for nerve transmission and muscular contraction, is also present in Greek yogurt. Additionally, don't undervalue probiotics. Your muscles' ability to absorb and use protein is strongly related to the health of your gut. Please remember to use the like button and subscribe to Senior Guide if you've found this useful thus far. We offer scientifically supported health advice tailored to seniors who want to maintain their strength, independence, and vitality after the age of 60. Which of these foods have you eaten or intend to try tonight? Tell us in the comments. Let's continue now, as the first food may be the most potent of them all. Number 2. Cherry Tart Juice. Tart Cherry Juice is one of the best natural drinks for seniors to increase muscle healing, lessen stiffness, and enhance sleep quality, even though it could seem like just another health fad. Anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that lessen oxidative stress and aid in the healing of injured muscle tissue, hold the key. Our bodies have a harder time eliminating cellular waste as we become older. Tart Cherry Juice breaks the cycle of damage that accumulates overnight, leaving muscles weak and irritated by morning. According to a 2019 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, adults over 50 who drank Tart Cherry Juice before bed saw discomfort reductions of up to 33% and an improvement in sleep efficiency of 15%. Melatonin, another ingredient in the juice, encourages deep sleep, which is when the majority of muscle healing occurs. 4 to 6 ounces of 100% Tart Cherry Juice should be consumed 30 to 45 minutes prior to bedtime for optimal effects. Steer clear of sweetened or blended versions. You want a tart cherry that isn't sweetened. Squeeze in a little lemon or dilute with water if the taste is too sour. In addition to improving your quality of sleep, this juice actively strengthens your joints, restores your muscles, and reduces cortisol levels, which can weaken your muscles. It's one of the few natural solutions that simultaneously improves muscular function and sleep quality. First place, whey protein. Shake, the most researched diet for preventing muscle loss beyond age 60, is at the top of our list. An excellent whey protein shake. Leucine, the master switch that instructs your body to grow muscle, is abundant in whey protein, which is also quick to absorb and full of vital amino acids. Our bodies become less tolerant of lower protein dosages as we age. Even if you're eating enough, this condition known as anabolic resistance makes it more difficult to retain strength. Even if you're not doing weights, whey protein overcomes that obstacle and starts your recuperation process overnight. A 40-gram whey protein smoothie before bed was examined in a 2021 clinical trial that was published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. The results were astounding. In just a few weeks, there was a 22% increase in muscle protein synthesis overnight, less muscle breakdown, and improved strength and balance. 30 to 60 minutes before bed, combine 1 scoop of whey, isolate with water, or unsweetened almond milk for maximum benefits. Steer clear of mixes that contain bulk gainers or additional sugar. These may cause sleep disturbances. Add a teaspoon of almond butter or half a banana for a richer shake. If you have a lactose sensitivity, go for whey isolate. If you have trouble digesting, use hydrolyzed whey instead. These types have the same muscle-saving effect but are less taxing on the stomach. This easy drink does more than just nourish your body. It preserves your tissue, primes your hormones, and provides you a genuine chance to wake up stronger rather than weaker. This is the one instrument that is essential for every senior who is serious about maintaining their strength, balance, and mobility. You are now aware of the reality. You're not simply losing muscle mass during the day. At night, they are silently vanishing. The good news is that starting tonight, each of these nighttime foods is a scientifically proven way to support your body's healing process, maintain your strength, and safeguard your independence. What you feed your body before bed influences how strong you feel when you wake up, whether it's a protein shake, a glass of warm milk, or a spoonful of nut butter. Which dish are you planning to try tonight? Let us know in the comments. Additionally, be sure to hit the like button, enable notifications, And subscribe to Senior Guide if you want more effective science-based health advice tailored to seniors. You're not even close to being too old to get stronger. Let's take it one night at a time and regain your strength. Please leave a comment below if you have any queries or would like to share your personal experience. Every comment is read by us. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in the next video.